Why the star is more important? It is because the sun and the moon is for everyone. Okay? The sun, the moon is for everyone. But the star, it is not for everyone. Why? Because everyone has his star. And we said in conclusion that greatness is for everyone. Everyone has greatness. Everyone has greatness. But not everyone is great. Meaning that in you there is greatness. There is something that is in you that when you know it and you do it, you will be special. We all have the Holy Ghost, and we all have the same gift of the Holy Ghost, but we do not operate in the same way. I'm telling the truth. You can't compare pastors. We will never be the same with the pastor X, pastor Y, Z, W. No. But we have all the same spirit, the Holy Ghost. But we do not use it the same way. Do you see? Because everyone has a greatness.